Hello all. Welcome to Value Plus the Family Office, Knowledge Plus for Wealth Plus presentation from our research desk. This week our hot topic is stages in wealth management. But before that, let us see what happened in the financial markets last week. Fitch Ratings and Moody's scales down India's growth forecast to 4.8% and 4.5% respectively for the financial year 2014. This can have an adverse impact on equity market performance. RBI may reduce the rate to support growth and rupee may depreciate further due to weak economy. India's crude oil import bill jumped 9.5% to rupees 3,47,432 crores in the first 5 months of the current fiscal year. This may widen the current account deficit, rupee may depreciate, government may also increase petroleum prices leading to the rise in inflation, and GDP growth may reduce. The effect was seen on Sensex, which was down by 536 points, that is a negative of 2.65%, and closed to 19,727 at the end of the week. FIIs remained net buyers in the equity with the net inflow of rupees 2,185 crores and net sellers in the debt segment with the net outflow of rupees 5,031 crores. The chart shows the price performance of different asset class last week. The gold was the highest gainer with a positive of 0.5% and Sensex lost by 2.65%. The post-event, that is last week's Fed and RBI meeting adjustment, was seen in all the financial markets. Next week, the financial markets will be eyeing on auto and cement monthly sales data for the month of September, which is to be released. India's balance of payments data for the first quarter will be released, and HSBC manufacturing PMI to be released on 1st October 2013, followed by HSBC services PMI on 4th October 2013. We come to the hot topic, that is stages in the wealth management. Let us first answer some of the few questions, very basic ones. Just imagine that, have you ever thought of jumping from an aircraft without wearing a parachute? Maybe yes, I don't know. Second, have you ever thought of going on a long vacation without important items like clothes, camera, etc.? Maybe we don't know. Or how will you feel if your wife remains unaware forever about a precious diamond purchased by you, specially as a gift for her? You may be wondering that how all these questions are related to wealth management. Let us see how it is. The first one, jumping from an aircraft without a parachute. It can be a risky affair, so better you jump with a parachute and so ensuring your wealth protection also before taking any risk. Second is accumulate enough before moving on to the journey. So the second stage comes wealth accumulation. And third is, while you have protected yourself, you have accumulated enough and you now think of distributing something, sharing. So you ensure that it goes into the right hands through a good wealth distribution. Let us see one by one each of it. First, wealth protection. On the path of wealth accumulation, there could be instances of making a wrong decision in business out of many, illness, disability, accidents, or even death. So, there has to be a strategy to deal with these eventualities. It may include life insurance, general insurance, will, contingency funding, proper documentation, and many others. Once this safety net is generated, you can safely embark on the journey of wealth accumulation after that. So next comes wealth accumulation. For HNIs, wealth accumulation is achieved up to a certain point, but then they need to make efforts to allocate this wealth which can enable them to achieve their goals, preserving their wealth, ensuring growth, diversification, and then comes in speculation. Wealth distribution. After this both stages are achieved, you can think of distribution, but a careful planning is important to make sure that your hard-earned wealth lasts throughout your lifetime and also even beyond that. It may range from receiving a lasting stream of income to gifting assets to loved ones, to eventually leaving behind a philanthropic legacy. Estate planning activities include activity like forming a trust, drafting a good will, succession planning, philanthropy. So we conclude that life doesn't happen all at once. With each milestone comes a unique need for careful planning. Financial strategy may change at each of these stages, but the plan needs to be there. And planning for wealth is a specialist profession, and you should make sure that you are getting ethical advice from a properly qualified, matured, and professional experts. In the next series, we will be looking each of these stages in detail and how to achieve it. Thank you. Please share your valuable feedback on our email ID info@valueplusinv.com. Thank you once again.